Hey there. So today we're checking out this backpack from Taygeer. I got it in the color pink and it features some really nice gray accents. Now, opening it up, this was totally unexpected. This is not just your simple backpack. This feels more like a piece of luggage. It's very high quality and feels super strong and really well made. On the outside, it has regular backpack straps, but inside is where the magic happens. On one side, you get a full suitcase style setup with a big wide compartment and stretchy straps to hold everything in place. It also includes a semi transparent plastic zip bag, which is perfect for clothes, shoes, or wet items. You also have a USB cable inside so you can keep your power bank in your bag and easily charge your devices on the go. On the other side, there's also a semi transparent pocket, great for storing items you don't want spilling or mixing with the rest of your bag. On top, there's a breathable mesh zip pocket, which is perfect for smaller essentials. The bag closes up really nicely, and even though it's compact, it's surprisingly spacious. The zippers go all the way around, and there's a handle on the side if you want to carry it like luggage, plus a top handle for easy grab and go. Now, moving to the front, even more pockets. This section is fully padded, making it perfect for laptops, tablets, or other fragile electronic devices. Everything feels secure and protected. There's also a quick access front pocket, which is great for things you want to grab fast. At the back, you find a luggage strap, along with extra cushioning at the pressure points, making it really comfortable on your back. Now, this is me trying it on. It's super comfortable, super stylish, and honestly, very practical. Overall, I would highly recommend this backpack. It's perfect for travel, work, school, or weekend trips.